The goal with this activity is to really work the legs, loosen up the hips. Here's what you're going to do. Get a box, get yourself a TRX or something to hold on to. You're going to do a kickstand version of a single leg squat. So what I mean by that is if I'm doing my right leg, I'm going to put my left leg on the ground like this. Now, before I drop down to the box and do the squat, I want to do a hip shift. And the way I'm going to do it is by pulling my left hip back and pushing my right knee forward. And so if you get it right, you're going to feel like a little bit of groin on the right, or on the left, excuse me, and you'll feel a little bit more glute on the right leg, in this case. If you did the other side, it would be reversed. So I'm here, I'm going to soften the knee, get that shift, inhale down, exhale up is a good burn on the quad and the right glute. Rinse and repeat. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.